Deskera Project Management has the tools and functionality that you need to get your projects done. The task grid here lists out your project tasks along with their duration, dates, predecessors, and resources. On this interactive Gantt chart, you can drag and drop tasks and links, much like in Microsoft Project. You can set up predecessors by merely dragging them down like this, when it's possible, and selecting different predecessors for each one of your tasks. As you can see, by grabbing the edge of a task and dragging it out for a longer date, since it's a predecessor, the other tasks that come after it also automatically move out and the times are adjusted accordingly. Select the common tasks in your project plan, as such, and go to Create Template. This allows you to create a template for your common tasks. Create the template, and then, by selecting the next empty row on the list, open this up and hit Insert Template. Our demo template here, along with a reference date, will allow us to add those directly into the system. You'll see here, the dates have been automatically added as well. Again, we can drag those dates out for longer. We can even bring them back if need be. Across the top, you'll notice there are several buttons for functionality. Cut, copy, and paste, for instance, allows you to reuse tasks efficiently. The indent and outdent buttons here allow you to create parent tasks. For instance, if I click on Archive Customer Facility and indent it, it's now underneath these other tasks along the top. If I were to grab this one here and outdent it, it now is the parent for the ones underneath it. You can move tasks up and down in your task list as well, unless there's a predecessor attached to it. All the other functionality across the top here is very similar to what you've seen in other programs, again, like Microsoft Project. You have the ability here to take a look at the percentages complete. You'll notice each one of these has a bar inside of them that gives you the indication that, for instance, this is 7% complete and it's only got a short bar letting you know that. Same up here with 14% and 8%. Your overdue tasks are easy to see by a press of a button. You can also see task priority. This is our high priority task right here. It tells us right away by hitting that button. Your task resources can be color-coded, so as you look down the list you can see who has different tasks, making sure that everybody is doing their part as well as not overloading people on the team. Task information, once you've selected a task, will bring you into that task specifically. It allows you to look at the predecessors for it, the resources that are going to be doing this task, any notes that are necessary, and if there's a reference URL, you can add them in here, as many links as you'd like. Continuing across the top, you have the opportunity for synchronization with the team calendar. That allows you to put the tasks on the team calendar so everybody you're sure is on the same page. You can import files into your existing project plan, as well as exporting the entire project plan if you wanted to work on it offline. There are many different reports available in Deskera Project Management. We won't go through them today, but just know there are several here to use. You can create a baseline this easily. Create that baseline, and then from here, each time you come back, you can compare that baseline to where your project is currently at. You can change the project start date, which will automatically change all of the dates in your project to reflect accordingly. Sending out notifications is as easy as clicking here to either specific tasks, resources, or the entire team if need be. If you have any resource conflicts, this is where we would see that as well. Your reports are listed over here, very easy to see, and in a drop-down. This is your basic functionality inside Deskera Project Management.